Welcome back to Better Sleep. In this chapter, we'll explore what sleep actually does for your body and your mind. Sleep isn't just rest. It's an active biological process that keeps you healthy. If you missed it, go back and watch our video on how much sleep you need. Let's start with the brain. While you sleep, your brain clears out waste, general cellular debris, beta amyloid, and tau proteins and other metabolic byproducts that build up during the day. This slumber cleanup supports memory, focus, and long-term brain health. That's why good sleep improves concentration, creativity, and problem-solving. Have you ever heard the saying, "Why don't you sleep on it?" Sleep also strengthens learning. New information is saved, stored, and organized while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the body. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Muscles recover, tissues heal, and cells regenerate, especially during deep sleep. Sleep also strengthens your immune system. People who don't get enough sleep tend to get sick more often. Sleep regulates key hormones that control hunger, stress, and growth. Poor sleep increases cravings and makes healthy choices harder. What food choices do you make? Your heart also relies on sleep. Quality sleep supports healthy blood pressure and circulation. Long-term sleep loss raises the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Sleep is just as important for your mental health. Good sleep improves mood, emotional balance, and stress resilience. When sleep is poor, emotions feel stronger and harder to manage. That's why consistent sleep supports mental clarity and emotional well-being. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's the foundation of physical performance and mental health. Are you getting enough sleep? Like, save, and subscribe to the Better Sleep channel for everything sleep.